We now understand that music learning helps with social cohesion. There was some wonderful research I got to watch where I saw that as soon as a mother and a child started singing together, started with the mother singing to the child and then they started singing together, I saw their heartbeats and their body temperatures align as soon as they started singing together. And this finding has been replicated all over the world. We now understand that when we sing together and when we move together, our bodies actually align, our heartbeats align. And this is the very quickest way to feel a sense of connectiveness, to feel that social cohesion, to feel together. And that's possibly why when babies are very, very young, we have this sort of feeling that we would just sing to them. And it doesn't matter how well we sing or if we're in tune or not. It's about that sort of connecting together and that feeling together. And music learning is just an extension of that, because not only do we use it as parents to connect with our children, children can use it to connect with other children. So the social cohesion part is incredibly important. Not just to feel good. We know that when children enter into school, they do a lot of things, in groups. They learn together. And the more we feel part of that learning culture, the better the learning will be.